अमेरिकी सदर जो बाइडेन का इसराइल फलस्तीन कशीदगी पर मुख्तसर खिताब। कहा, इसराइल को अपने दिफा का पूरा हक हासिल है। इसराइल की सलामती के लिए हमारी इंतजामिया की हिमायत चट्टान की तरह मजबूत और गैर मुतज़लज़ल है।
Orchestrated by a terrorist organization, Hamas. In this moment of tragedy, I want to say to them, to the world, and the terrorists everywhere, the United States stands with Israel. We will not ever fail to have their back. We'll make sure they have the help their citizens need and they can continue to defend themselves. Prime Minister Netanyahu this morning, I told him the United States stands with the people of Israel in the face of these terrorist assaults. Israel has the right to defend itself and its people. Full stop. There's never justification for terrorist attacks. And my administration's support for Israel's security is rock solid and unwavering. I've also been in contact with the King of Jordan, spoke with members of Congress, directed my national security team to engage with their Israeli counterparts, military to military, intelligence to intelligence, diplomat to diplomat, to make sure Israel has what it needs. I've also directed my team to remain in constant contact with leaders throughout the region, including Egypt, Turkey, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Jordan, Oman, UAE, as well as our European partners and Palestinian